Open first Adobe Audition and import the audio track you want to adjust. Well, what I'm gonna do, I don't have any audio track. I'm just gonna record one very fast right now. So testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. And now I just created one. I'm gonna go here to multi-track and import this audio here. And now you just have to select the audio clip on your timeline. You can click on it. You can go to the effects rack panel on the right side of your screen and look for stretch and pitch category and choose stretch. So here in effects rack panel on the right side of your screen, here we have different audios we can select, and here we're just gonna have to look for stretch and pitch as I said. So here we have time and pitch. We have stereo, imagery, spatial, reverb, noise reduction, modulation. But we're gonna have to click on time and pitch shifter. And from here we can change the semitones. And from here we can adjust the to slow down to usually here it's greatest if you're looking to change your pitch, because if I play this you can hear how I sound, or if you want something more funny. Now if that's not what you're actually looking for to change your pitch, you just want to change the speed, you're gonna have to click on here, this button here, and from here we can stretch. We can stretch even more, sorry, from here. I can even increase if I want the audio, or like this. And now its stretch, as you can hear, is really slow. But if I want to be very fast, you just have to, instead of stretching, you have to shrink it like this. So you choose which method you want. You can, as I said, you can also use from here. You can remove this effect. Let's actually remove this effect. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Now, so testing, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.